Nice. Top. Yes, that's good. Desert Eagle. Yes, that's good. Hello and welcome back to another video. We are playing at the Rain GG today. We have 1,500 in the balance. Before we start, I want to show you guys my leaderboard, which will be... I'm not sure how big the leaderboard is gonna be. I think it's a couple thousand at first. Maybe 5,000, something like that. 3,000 to 5,000 coins, I think. It will be on nomadcodes.com/leaderboard. We have not set it up on the site yet, but it will come up very shortly. To participate on the leaderboard, make sure to apply code nema when you deposit, and you can choose between 24 hours active code, 3 days and 7 days. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I have not played on the site as much, so I don't really know how it works. I think we'll just try to join the battle at first. We're obviously leveling up really quick because we have not played many. We've not played many matches on the site at all. I don't know. Is it possible to scroll? This is 17 cases. Holy shit, man! This guy should fucking. Is it possible to add people here? I don't know the percentage of these cases, but I'm sure the amount will increase a little bit. 3 coins. Is this shared mode? Yeah, it's shared mode, 4-way. So we want everyone to hit pretty much. It's a little bit fucking scary. I should have. Oh, nice. I should have noticed before I joined that it was a shared mode, but it's fine. Something good here, please. That's really good, I think. From a 4-coin case. 21, I thought it was a little bit more. I thought it would be like fucking 70 coins or something, but apparently not. There's no really good hits here, is it? Yeah, 5 and 10, that's actually decent. Stop. Ah, fucking hell. Yes, that's gonna hit, right? Yeah. What is this case called? Reckon. I don't know if it... Oh, this is 12. Is that even good? 41. That's probably our best hit yet. Yeah. Yes, we hit another one. What the fuck is this? What is this a good hit? 19 coins, that's not too much, bro. From a 4 to 5 coin case, that's actually not like terrible, but could have been so much better, you know. That's gonna hit the star as well. I don't know what to call this. Rain star. That's probably like 20 coins, right? 63. What the fuck? Get lucky. No hits. It seems like it's only 2 get lucky cases left. Oh, that was an elite build. One more. This is not going to well if this costs 100 coins. We're definitely not gonna go in profit. Yeah. We're gonna go here and sell this item. Join for 35. We're joining the enemy team. Did we join it? They're just calling bots right away, man. 3-way. We are gonna create some battles with this right here. Some 25 coiners. Honestly, this might be a little bit too risky. 142 and we have 1.3 left. Yeah, we can do that. We need to get some content at least. We can't fucking end it at 0 coins and have 3 minutes of battles. That wouldn't be enough. We want it to be entertaining for you guys, you know? Level up. Very nice. Colorblind. Come on. Yeah, bro. Starting at a hit. That's fantastic. I'm very curious what we're gonna hit. How much is this? 100 coins? No, 80. That's fine. Knife. Stop. Fuck. Deep ocean. Nice double hit here. Holy shit. I don't know the percentage on this case, but double hit can't be bad. Oh, 58. 58 here also. No way. This is like 200? No. 300. Holy shit. Stop. Ah, he hit the art artillery. No, art gallery. What the fuck am I saying? Ah, this is probably expensive, right? No, 100 coins. I thought it was way more. Nice, 38. Last case. No big hits. That's probably a pair. What? 354 for everybody. That's really nice. 300 coin battle. 2v2. Let's do this. And if it fails, we're probably gonna do it again. Callbot. I don't know the percentage on them, but let's hope it's some very nice percentages with some good hits on the left side. That's good for them. Yeah, that was like 70. Yeah, we got actually like almost 40 ourselves. That's probably good also. 45, that's fine. It's an expensive battle, so. Nah, they hit 115, so they're... Let's hope they only hit like 150 or so. That would be perfect. 300 probably. 320, yeah. We just need one good hit, honestly. And we're over them. That's good. No, what? Yes. Spray and pray. Come on. M4 maybe? No, that's... Is that 300? Holy fuck. Yeah, we're at a little bit in the lead, but anything can happen now, I think. Oh, yes, bro, we won. Let's create the same battle. Let's call some bots. I don't know what the thing goes up to. It said 7 here. Maybe it's 10 per fucking rank, I think. I don't know. Black Lotus, that's probably good. No, what? This was way better. Nice, top. Yes, that's good. Ah, it's only 25 case, 25 coin case, but it's fine. Desert Eagle. Place, no, fuck. 109, we take it, definitely. Shattered. Nice, that's better. What? That doesn't make sense, but sure. Yes! We're hitting the fucking stars. This is 50 coin case as well. Maybe a set of... Sure, we take it. 158. Not expensive, but it's alright, probably. I don't know. Last case, Siren. Let's hit a knife here, yeah? No, fuck. I think we won that, but not profit. 260, yeah, exactly. This is gonna be a 900 coin battle. And we got Rainbow 1. That's Perfect. Just what we needed. There's a 900 coin battle. Would that be a good start? No. I mean, we're starting with 21 coins. Is that... Ah, shit, bro. They got the fucking thing again. Just give them the shitty gloves. Or the knife, that's probably worth a little bit. Yeah, it's fine. One good hit and we're back at it. Nice! No, wait, they hit 2 good items as well. We also did. Come on. Be a Vulcan, maybe? Oh, Case Arden is good as well. 500? Yeah. Let's go. Is this any good? No. Beast. Come on. We still have 6 cases left. But we are leading pretty decent. So we definitely take that. Siren, come on. You screwed us up earlier. Maybe. No. No redemption. Timeless, I'm sure we will hit the star here, right? No. No star. That's fine. Ventilated. Show some love, please. No. Haunted house. 195 and 111. That's so fucking bullshit. I think we won anyways. Yeah, we did. That's really nice, but we didn't profit. And we will run it again. Rainbot 20, carry me please. I'm gold 4, it seems like. Leveled up. Stop. That's good. That's a good start. Precision. 70 coin case. Op fade, please. That's a good as well. 300, no? Yeah, 300. That's perfect. Is it decent? Yes, sure. Only AKs. Nice! Wait, another one. That was like really decent last time. Case Arden. Maybe Vulcan this time? Nice! How much is this? 300 only, fucking hell. So apparently the Case Arden was better. Beast. Maybe star here, please? No? We're at like almost probably around 500 more than them, so we are doing pretty well. But there is only this case and 4 more after this. Only 4 cases left. We need to hit something good now. Timeless. Star. Stay. No. Okay. Come on. That's good, right? 43, I thought it was way more. Haunted house. That's good, probably. I don't know what these are. Star for us, please. No. I don't know. How much are we at? 600 something. 800. The battle is 893, so we barely can't run it back. Let's do another one. Let's just go all in. Let's not do this. Let's do ventilated and some 100 plus cases. Hooked. Jungle King. And we have 870, so we have like 370 left. Mixology. Mental, maybe? No, this is a 1v1. Can I cancel it? Fuck, bro, I can't cancel. That's fucking settings. Oh, that's so sad. 7 cases, we need to hit something now. This just got a lot more risky than what it could have been. We just need to hit something good now. Come on. This was... Let's go, case 4 out of 7, please, hit something. No, that's just terrible, man. Jungle King, please. What? Both of them was pretty expensive, but come on, mixology. That's good. That's better than this. Yeah, definitely. Star, please. Nice. I don't know which one is worth the most. Yeah, this one definitely. 900 something. Select all, sell. Honestly, just can recreate it, man. 842. We should be able to win this as well, right? With this luck symbol right here, nothing can go wrong. Yes! Timeless. Only 88 coins though. We should have had it on the later cases, but that's fine. M9 bayonet, please. Yes. Oh. Let's go. 754. Let's just keep up this pace. No, they got the star as well. That's so sad. Imagine they just overtaking me now. That can't be more worth. 500, yeah. We're still like 300 coins ahead of them. Let's keep it that way. Jungle King? Nah, no way. No fucking way. 297. Man, we're like barely over them. I think that's more worth. Yes. Just don't give them a fucking... Yes. Yes, we won that shit. That's perfect, man. Select all. Sell. I think we're gonna do it again. Honestly. That was really a fun battle. Let's go. Let's hit some big hits now, alright? Please. Star. Yes. Timeless. Let's go. Maybe the Desert Eagle Blaze now? Or an M9. M9, please. Bayonet is fine. Freehand. 350. It's not as much, but it's fine. Honestly. Yeah, we take that shit. Definitely. What is this rain thing? Case battles. That's fine. I think this is what? It was so much more worth. Mixology, come on. Yes! That's 383. That's perfect, man. Feeding for us. Let's go again. Select all, sell. Man, we're printing at this point. Or did I jinx it? I probably jinxed it, right? Yeah, I have to. I have to have jinxed it. Nice. First case, star. Easy. I don't know what the items are here. Yeah, let's hit the butterfly. No, that's fine. That's fine. We take that. 318. Sure. any of us hit the... Yeah, no, we haven't. I don't think we've hit anything good from this case. Not this one either. Yeah, maybe. I don't know. Yeah, right now we did. That's perfect. Come on. Fucking hell, that's good items. Oh, the hydroponic would be nice. This is nice as well. 750, let's go. Come on, Jaguars. No, that's fine. That's good as well. Like, I'm not complaining about 95 coins. Vulcan, perfect. 100 and 105. That's just feeding at this point. Yes. I don't know which one is most worth, but 300. Holy shit. That paid well for us. 1,800. We're at 3k. What the fuck? We're printing. Nice! Double star. Fucking hell, we're starting off with a star. That's nothing better. Garambit, Poseidon, or Butterfly. Icarus Fell is nice as well. 700 coins. That's fucking perfect. Nothing here either. This Death Strike, I think it is. That's a pretty good item. Get a star here now, come on. Yes, we got the fucking star. This is good as well. 136, but that's fine. We're in the lead. And we got another star, come on. Maybe Coron, but maybe it's just something crazy, man. Is this good? By almost 500, that's pretty decent, I would say. Nice, up. Yeah, we got it anyways. Is this good? Man, we're actually hitting like good stuff here. That's good as well for both. Let's fucking go. Let's do 2v2 normal with some expensive cases. Let's not do this. Let's do this and mixology. Tripwire. Ultimental again because that was a really nice case. Was this 2v2? Yeah, 940 coins, let's go. Let's go win this shit. Very nice, we both hit. I think that's better. No, it's not, but it's fine. Nice, both hit, please. Yes, that's perfect, man. I don't care, it's just stacking up the pot, honestly, so. Nice, I think this is better. No. What? That's really expensive. Nice, stop. Yeah, we both hit again. Okay, now it's starting to be exciting because they're like a little bit ahead of us. I think that's better. Oh, what? 1,600. Holy shit. This is good. 560, perfect. We're like a little bit ahead of them. I'm not sure how much exactly. We're like 500 coins ahead of them or something. I don't think it's much more though. Nah, that's 300. It's fine. I think we won. Yes, bro. 2.2k. That's so fucking good. Okay. I think I'm gonna call it a day there. But thank you so much for watching, guys. And see you in the next video. Goodbye.